Hello all, I just have a new watch from Versace that I would like to unbox today. So let's have a look at this new watch Versace's that I just arrived, and let's see what do you guys think about this watch, and let me know in the comments below. So without talking too much, let's do an unboxing about this watch together. This is the box of Versace. There's an outside box that gold color with Versace, and inside box also there's another leather box also with Versace. And if you see under the box, there's a warranty card with some letter that said welcomes to Versace, and there's a pouch to protect the watch. So let's unbox the watch together. This model of Versace is model VE1D01620, and the name of this version is Aion Chronograph. This watch have a case width of 45mm with case thickness of 11mm. It is a quartz movement type that it uses battery, and it is Swiss made. If you look at the front of the watch, there's a Versace words around the case and the Versace logo inside it. So this watch have a black stainless steel with gold case. There's a date and stopwatch in this watch. The glass of this watch is Saphire, so it could be scratch resistant. This watch also have water resistant up to 50 meter. And yes, this is Versace watch that you can find in the internet for around €550 at this moment. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please ask me and I will try to answer my best. And don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing video.